Are you stuck outlining forever, or winging it and stalling at page 30? Today, 3-act, save the cat, and just writing. Which one gets you to a finished draft? Each method solves a different problem. The trick isn't picking a religion. It's picking a tool. 3 acts, setup, confrontation, resolution, simple on paper, flexible in practice. It's easy to remember and scales for novels, films, and games. You won't get lost if you keep the middle moving. Save the Cat is a beat sheet. 15 checkpoints that pace emotion and plot from opening image to final scene. It's training wheels and cruise control. New writers love the mile markers. Pros use them when a draft feels off. Follow it too literally and your story can feel prefab. Use beats as guides, not handcuffs. Just writing means discovery. You chase voice, character, and surprise without stopping to outline. You'll find moments you didn't know you had. Voice grows. Characters argue back. The danger? Beautiful scenes with nowhere to go. You'll need a map eventually. Use 3-act when you know your premise and ending, but your middle needs shape. Use Save the Cat when pacing is wobbly or you're new and want training marks. Use Discovery when the story's voice is shy. Write fast, learn what the book wants, then reshape. Try this. Free write Act 1 fast. Outline Act 2 beats with Save the Cat. Discovery write Act 3. Then retrofit the beats. Example, Act 1. Hero refuses the call. Beat 5. Debate. Then write the argument scene messy and trim later. Mistake 1. Outlining forever. Mistake 2. Drafting forever. Put your story on a calendar. Exercise. Write your opening 500 words. Then list 3 middle problems. Pick one Save the Cat beat to bridge them. Comment which team you're on. 3-act, Save the Cat, or just writing. Every story has a shape. The only question is which one you'll choose. Keep writing and keep building your stories.